Pensole is an independent footwear design academy. We are a collaborative institution in which we work with brands, we work with schools and retailers, as well as tech services to create a curriculum to help service and identify the future leaders of footwear. So at Pensole, we do intensive courses, which are limited to either 3 weeks to something to 5 weeks. And within that 5-week span, students are working directly with the brands, and the brands pay for the students' tuition, travel, and housing. The advantage that Pensole provides is peer-to-peer mentorship, as well as mentorship from the brands, as well as a learn by doing curriculum. So we put students in the environment where they have expectations as a professional, as well as they have resources from professionals and exposure directly to the brands. A lot of our programs here at Pensole is collaborative with either a footwear brand or a retailer, in which a lot of the times, close to 70% of our classes, the actual final product gets sold. The main thing to take away from Pensole is we are educating people on footwear design, but we're using footwear design to teach design thinking and encourage the future leaders of the world to be able to think outside the box and be original and problem solve and make sure that it's not just a pretty thing that you're putting on the shelf or people are putting on their feet, but how is it changing your life? How is it telling a story? How is it solving a problem?